Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing this cute dinosaur! So, let's get started! First, I will start by drawing the face and body structure of the dinosaur. Then I'm adding legs and hands of our dino. Eyes and nose of it. Let's draw the other hand as well. I am drawing triangle-like shape on its back. At last, I will draw 3 balloons in the dino's hand. Color our drawing. I am coloring the mouth red. Now I will color the body of the dinosaur purple pink. Color little triangles green. Let's color the balloons orange. Red. Done! Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.